Millen here from AV King. We've got this room set up with a ClickShare behind the TV. It's piped into the audio system in the room, so we can just plug this little unit in. The lights will indicate when it's ready to connect. As soon as that goes solid, you can press the button on there and that'll connect to the screen effectively as if you had a HDMI lead up to the display. It's quite a large room, all the way down the back there. That works without any interference or issues. Press the screen button there, and as you can see, I've now got my display via wireless HDMI with the ClickShare point to point. Doesn't require anything being on the network, neither the ClickShare behind that TV, nor that dongle, nor the laptop are connected to the network to get all that to function. And to disconnect, you can just press that button and that will drop the connection. And as I said, you can use that for the audio system as well in your room. That's the ClickShare C10 AV King if you'd like a demonstration.